I'm a king, man. And you know what happened, man? I've been like this. As I think about it, I never followed my big brothers. Like, you know, most niggas will follow their big brothers around and, you know, try to like, nah, I always had my own. Doing it through music without having a job and so early being able to get money as an independent. Okay, Bunny, she trying to get that 10. Yeah, being independent and getting it, you know, this way and being able to control how you do shit and dropping when you want to drop. Like I just told y'all, if the movie worked, I'ma keep going. That's how you gotta move in life, man. Like when some shit work, when your idea work, you don't stop there. You keep going. You keep exercising, you know what I'm saying, and trying to push for your ideas to keep working. All of your ideas will not work. Of course, that's like simple math, simple fucking, we know everything ain't gonna work. But don't stop trying to exercise your ideas, you feel me? Like, keep going when it comes to, man, I'm going to try to do this. I'm going to try to do that. So, that's how the most successful people in the world bet on themselves. The most successful people in the world betted on themselves. They bet it on themselves, man. Either you're going to let somebody else have it or you're going to bet on yourself. That's how this shit goes, straight like that. So, if you and it's so simple and plain. Everybody want to know a big ass recipe to success. Hard work is the recipe for success, man. It's everything available. You have all of the information in the world available to you. So hard work is what you need to do whatever you're trying to do. That's it. Coming out to the park for free. You feel me? Like in the 100-degree weather. Watch this. Excuse me, man. That was my parking spot. I was just turning around. Excuse me. I was finna park there. Can you please move?
Don't.
Damn, they rude at Memorial. I was just turning around. And she done swung and stole my parking lot. Her and the guy. Like, goddamn. Next time I gotta do some thug shit and just swing up in that bitch I see, huh? That's cool. I had to run into her shit. They know where I park. You know that's my spot. Yeah. Oh boy, man. Look how old this dude is. He out here, man. I refuse to let these old motherfuckers beat me in life. Look at these old white people out here, man. These folks don't give a damn about that son. These folks is putting in that work, staying healthy. It's inspiring. It's inspiring. Every time I come to the park and see these barely making it as old dudes, I be like, man, these motherfuckers is for real. I gotta hold it down for black people because there ain't a lot of people black out here. So yeah, it's a few of us out here that's still putting in their work. Salute to the fellow workout people out here. Oh, I didn't go to this girl's store. She opened up a cupcake store, and I still ain't made it to it. And I went to high school with her. Damn, she gonna cuss me out. I'm gonna have to just go by there. I be forgetting, man. My memory fucked up. I'm a hoe ass nigga sometimes, I believe. I be doing some hoe ass shit sometimes because of my memory. But don't charge it to my heart, though. Charge it to my memory, man. I'm sorry. What island you at, kid? Cupcakes, right? You at the park. I'm thinking, man, I've been fucking up deep dish pizza, brunch, all this stupid ass shit. I'm at the park. I want to eat good. The girl at the park, like, we went to high school together, you hoe ass nigga, and you ain't came supporting my business. I'm like, fuck. I said I was gonna go. I forgot. God damn. I gotta pull up for real, but my dumb ass gonna forget as soon as I leave this bitch. I do have a sweet tooth, so I do want to go. But shit, nigga be trying to get back on the right track when he here. Galveston, stop it. I'm about to put on some nerd shit. I got this little backpack that hold water, right? I'm finna fill that hole with water and run around the park wearing that bitch like a nerd. I ain't never did it before, and I don't see nobody out here doing it. I hope I don't look like no chump. But fuck it, man. If homeboy right here look, he gonna look at me like I'm a punk. He gonna look at me and say, "You pussy." Pussy, when I have my little water bag. Old ass dude out here getting it, man. He about Donald Trump age. He out here putting in that work. Peso, new album out now. Go get it. Yeah, it's a bag. This shit crazy. Let me see. I don't give a fuck if people make fun of me. Fuck yeah, I'm 42. I gotta hydrate. I gotta hydrate, man. Fuck y'all. He said he wear his all the time. Bam. So yeah, here go my thermos. My thermos. How this shit work? Fill this shit up with water. I feel like I'm at school and got one of them little motherfuckers with my lunch kit. Okay. It look cool though. It might be cool. Disturbed. How does this happen? Yeah. I'm gonna let my headphones charge a little more because my battery low. I don't care if these people make fun of me, man. That's what happens when you get 40. That's when you stop giving a damn how you look. If people say something about you, you don't give a fuck about that. Smoking gas guards before I put in the work. Gotta grind every day till the shit hurt. What's today? Monday? It's Money Making Monday. Money Making Monday. I'm finna do 3 miles. It say 91, but that's kept. And when I was in the gym, it felt like 200 degrees. I be eating bad though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all on both sides. I eat bad. I eat like shit. I don't eat diets. I don't diet at all, basically. I don't do no dieting. I eat what I want every day, but I go to the gym every day and I hit the park. You just gotta balance shit out. If you're gonna fuck up bad, you gotta work hard. Moving to H-Town, come on with it. H-Town, welcome to H-Town. Be a good person, man. Come out here If you drive fast, get in the fast lane. If you drive slow, get in the rail. If you're only gonna drive the speed limit, stay out the fast lane. That's the #1 rule when you come to the city. We already got enough traffic. We don't need no more motherfuckers in the way. So, yeah, the trip to Chi-Town was lit. With a bucket of crabs. What does that mean? 40 is a good era. Peace. It's about peace. I don't answer the phone for people who don't really fuck with me. I've been doing a lot of blocking people out of my life and not answering for people, protecting my peace. I like it. I like it. South side. What the fuck is up? Now, through the whole 90s, right? All it was, even with Scarface, you know, how biggest rapper. South side. I'm from Sunnyside, I'm from South Park. Everybody in the fucking rap game was from the South Side, bro. I was like, God damn, man. Is anybody? So that was why it was important for me to represent the North Side, man. But now, everybody from the motherfucking North Side, and I fucking love it. We finally ganging up on you motherfuckers. I fucking love it. We got North Side in this bitch now. You niggas, we was out of there at first. We ain't had nobody saying the North. Now we got 3-6 Mafia saying the North. We got NBA Youngboy off the North. We got Sexy Red representing the North. We got Migos say the North. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of niggas be saying the North now in music. I be like, oh, okay, we got the North, okay. Cause bitch, I'm from that North Side. I said, okay, I like it. We finally get the representation. So long, niggas from the North was even shamed. I used to be so mad at niggas. They'll be singing South Side, South to Side. I be like, man, we from the North Side, nigga. I was a teenager, you know, you on hood shit back then. Dancing ass nigga, you doing the South Side, we from the North. What the fuck is you doing? Yeah, I used to be hating. So, it's just good now to have some Northside representation finally, you know what I'm saying? It's good to have some Northside representation around the world, man. It's good. I like that. Finally balancing out, man. See, you just gotta be patient, man. You just gotta be patient, man. Shit finally balancing out. Yeah. Yeah, I used to be serious about that shit. When you young, you serious about that shit. I mean, it was a different era, bro. It was 1990. It was like some different shit. But yeah, man, we good now. We got a lot of Northside people all over the world representing. I like it. All right, my slap good. It's gone. I done procrastinated all I could. It's time to get the fuck up and get the fuck out here. Southside still be trying to represent. We taking over. Y'all had the shit long enough to get the fuck out the way. Y'all had the shit long enough to get the fuck out the way, Southside. It's outside turn. We ain't gotta do the east side or nothing like that. But yeah. Ooh, it's an oven in this bitch. I need some shade. This shit ain't no joke. What the fuck did I sign up for? I talk all this shit on live, now I gotta do this shit. Fuck. Oh, this shit for real, kid. This shit for real, for real. Southside still holding me, always saying that shit. Oh, man. God damn. I ain't got no hat. These old white dudes ain't got no hat. I ain't need no hat. Fuck. I miss my partner, the bird man. He used to be here every day feeding the birds. He been here like since I've been here like a long ass time, like since like 2008 or some shit. Passed away. The birds used to be over here. They used to talk to us. Squirrels would be walking around and shit. Hella friendly. I don't got no sunscreen. What we need sunscreen for? That's for white people. White people don't wear sunscreen. You look like a nerd, man.
Doggo.
What's up, boss? I see you get it. Black people don't wear sunscreen, fool. What's up, boss?
With you?
Huh?
I catch that thing with you?
Oh, yeah, bet. Shit.
Hey, I know you hear it all the time, but real shit, you're an inspirational dude, dog.
Appreciate that, boss.
Real shit, I was listening to your podcast, the thing this morning.
Yeah, I'm always out here fucking around. Damn, what the fuck is that? Big ass bug. Oh, shit. What it feel like 100 degrees out here today.
Yeah.
Damn, I forgot my headphones in the car. No. Get my headphones out of the car. Who put on sunscreen? What the fuck? Why would you do that? I'm out here every day. My skin don't even feel this shit. Like, we do this. We don't ever put on nothing. We barely put on lotion. What the fuck is you talking about? Sunscreen. I don't even drink water when I run though, so yeah, this shit is weird. All right, boss. Yeah. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? We ready. My boy said he gonna run with us. He said he gonna run with us. We're gonna get in. Y'all have a blessed